Go to Google Remote Play download. You can use a Mac or Windows. So I'm using Mac. I'm going to download on Mac. Click on it. And what you need is your computer, PS4, wireless controller, your account obviously for PS4. And I'm going to show you how to set up on your PS4. So let's download it first. So let me show you on the PS4. Go to settings, scroll down, where you see remote play connection settings. Click on it, make sure that is enabled. As you can see it downloaded. Enjoy.